Hey Smash attendees! Do you know who benefits from the services your company provides? How well do you really know your customers? The value of buyer personas goes beyond marketing. Having a better understanding of who your company should be targeting enables you to provide relevant content that addresses the pain points of your personas and generates more qualified leads. Personas allow you to identify where your customers are on the internet, so you can meet them there. They can guide content development because you understand your customers' goals. You can create content to help them accomplish what they're trying to achieve and overcome obstacles along the way. Persona-driven content can attract the most valuable visitors, leads, and customers to your business. Which is why we created the Buyer Persona Kit for your senior care company. Let these tools guide you through persona creation and content mapping to better understand your ideal customers. Whether you're starting from scratch or evaluating existing customer demographics, this kit has everything you need, including detailed sample templates for common personas in your industry, questions to walk you through the persona creation process step by step, a guide for mapping content specifically for senior care buyer personas, and helpful information about the role of content in the buyer's journey. So what's actually included in the kit? A worksheet with 10 questions you should ask when developing buyer personas, a buyer persona template with 2 examples, and a mini guide to mapping content to your buyer's journey. Are you ready to unlock the value of your senior care buyer personas? Download the entire kit through the link under the Promotions tab, or access just the mini guide to mapping content under the Documents tab, all for free. We hope you enjoy Smash!